Okay, you have been stuck at home. You are locked down, and like all of us, and we have received over the last 8 or 9 weeks an enormous number of calls from end users saying, I can't play golf. I can't get to my course. They won't allow me to go out. How do I continue to stay sharp in my game? This is my passion. Golf is what I do. Well, UltraBaseSystems and TourLinks have had that solution for many, many years. We have just been recognized over the last 10 weeks even stronger than ever before. Remember, I've been doing this for 20 years, so this is not like a new thing to me that we're like, oh, whoa, let's just make a product that an end user can do. We developed a system, we patented a system that allows end users like yourself to build synthetic turf putting greens. From our prepackaged TourLinks greens that come to you via UPS, take them out of the box, set them up in your basement, put them on your rooftop, put them on your patio lanai, in your living room. We have 5 models right now that make that happen very easily. Any one of these models come to you probably within an hour or less. You are now practicing, and you're going to practice realistically with the TourLinks, Puttmaster prepackaged green side of things. But if you want a backyard putting green that looks more professional, looks more custom, more built in, we have a system that allows you to do that. We can supply you with our panel system. We can turn you on to turf suppliers that we are confident in the quality of their turf. And we'll walk you through with our instructional manuals, our videos on how you, an end user, can basically build a custom putting green. Now that may require a little bit more skill than some of you have because it requires base prep and learning how to cut turf. And we can teach you, and we'll have videos that will show you. And a lot of you guys have already tackled that over the last couple months. But what's great is we have our Designer Green series. And our Designer Green series is right now 2 models, and I'm proud to say that there's other companies out there who are taking our technology and creating their own models. And what they're doing and what we're doing is delivering to you, the end user, a system. And right now we have it in 2 sizes, 18 feet by 23 feet. And 15 feet by 17 feet. And what that means is that comes to you with all the panels, the UltraBase panels, pre-cut, the same exact panel that we're selling to professionals who are installing greens for the top teaching and top PGA professionals in the country. All the panels pre-cut, all of the turf pre-cut, the one that I like the best, all the fringe pre-cut. It comes with a stabilization fabric that's essential to go under the panels on the prepared ground, all the cups, all the pins. We even supply the staples that you will use to staple the turf around the perimeter. Everything comes to you done. And I can't tell you, I'm going to see behind me in this video some of the projects that end users have done on their own. And there is nothing that makes me prouder to know that a guy called me and said, look, I want to build a putting green in my backyard. I'm pretty good, but I don't think I'm up for this task. But we send them the Designer Greens and they're doing it themselves. And that is so exciting for me when we look at these projects and you realize that their quality is the same as a professional installer because they're doing it themselves. So take a look at what we're doing both on the UltraBase side of our Designer Greens. Take a look at what we're doing on the prepackaged side of the TourLinks Puttmaster. And then if you're up for it, you want something that's really unique to you, we can help you with all the products that we sell to our installation crews around the world, and you can do it yourself. That I can guarantee you, but there'll be no better way to build a synthetic turf putting green or a tee line area or a chipping mat than with the UltraBaseSystems and the TourLinks panels. So, we're looking forward to working with you guys, get you back into practicing again, and it's going to be a great thing for all of us.